European plane maker Airbus does indeed have most of its operations in Europe. However, the firm also has commercial aircraft assembly lines in Canada, the United States, and China. The manufacturing giant's operations also include ATR, a 50-50 joint venture with Italy's Leonardo. And so, when it comes to this part of production, there are indications that a final assembly line may be set up in India. As reported by The Times of India, Airbus has, for the first time, indicated it is open to having a final assembly line in India for its ATR regional aircraft. Talks are said to be ongoing between the plane maker and Indian stakeholders to see if a business case can be made for such a move. When it comes to Airbus, there are already aircraft final assembly lines in India. There's the line for the 70-seater military transport aircraft known as the C-295, and another for the H-125 commercial helicopter. ATR already has a presence in India, with Indigo operating 50 turboprops from this company. The Times of India adds that Goa-based regional carrier Fly91 has a fleet of 6 at present, which is expected to double this year. In addition to final assembly lines, the A220 family's doors are also made in India, produced by Bengaluru-based Dynamatic Technologies. The Indian firm TASL makes bulk and cargo doors of the A320 family. Sources say that Airbus is closely examining 2 aspects for its proposed ATR FAL in India. The first is the operating cost of the turboprops for airlines, which is said to be very high in India and an issue that needs to be tackled in terms of jet fuel pricing, airport and navigation charges. The other factor is aircraft acquisition cost for customer airlines. To reduce that, Airbus is looking to enhance domestic production of components in India, leading to a possible setting up of an ATR assembly line. Sources tell The Times of India that Airbus could make a final announcement of the final assembly line in coming days if its math works out following ongoing consultation. It's added that the announcement, if made, will also be an unconditional one, not subject to subsequently receiving orders from Indian customers. But what do you think of Airbus/Leonardo potentially setting up an ATR final assembly line in India? Do you think ATR workers in Europe will take issue with this? Let us know your thoughts by leaving a comment. In addition to our daily YouTube videos, Simple Flying publishes over 150 articles every week. If you're looking for the latest aviation news and insights, visit simpleflying.com.